In this video, we're going to make a selection and transform it into black and white. So what we can do from here is, if we select the quick selection tool, and literally if we just click and drag over all the areas of our image that we want to work with, like so, just highlight these areas. And if we want to deselect any areas, we just hold Alt and we just remove these like so. We can zoom in with a Control plus, just scroll over, and again, just add in just a few more areas. You can zoom out with a Control minus, just hold Alt here as well, just to remove a few more. Scroll over. Okay, so we've got a fairly good selection here, and from here, if we go to the adjustment layer icon, and from here, if we select black and white, now as you can see, that's now been applied. And we've also got a few presets that we can work with, such as darker hair, and we could even select lighter, and we can even make further adjustments, like with our reds and our yellows, for example.